Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, I will share how to update your change logs. So change logs is it's a single document where you can actually update whatever code changes you have done and summarize it in a paragraph, or even you can add code to that. Main advantages of this is one is you can actually see what you have worked on from the beginning to end. Second is if you want to give context to either a developer or AI itself, you can share this change log so they can get an idea of what your project is about. And it is always a good practice to update your change log regularly with whatever recent changes you have made so that at least you are aware about things you have worked on. Uh, the very best practice is you have to create a changelog file, and the extension is .md markdown format, and it will create a new file, and you can start updating here. You don't even have to actually start typing it yourself. Whatever changes you have worked on, you can just ask GPT to summarize that conversation and share it with you, and it will do that. So, for example, here I've already worked on a few code changes, so there is a lot of change log here. What I'll do is I'll select all and I'll paste this prompt. So I'll just paste this. I'll just ask GPT to summarize this chat and share updates for the change log. Please share it in a code syntax format so that I can copy and paste. So we'll just enter this. So this is the chat summary, and it is sharing a change log for this. So I can just copy this, and what I'll do is I'll paste it here. So I know that whatever recent changes I've worked on, so this is the recent code changes I've worked on. So it just remembers whatever we have worked on. And based on that, it will just summarize that and it will give us the change log. So I would highly recommend doing this for all the recent changes you're making for all the projects you're working on. Thank you.